There's one thing I wanted to change on the front of my Defender. It's been bugging me for some time. Let's have a look what I'm going to be doing. So since I've fitted this grille from Uproar, I've never been quite happy with the plastic aircon grille surround. So I've actually picked up a genuine Land Rover Defender one, and I've had it resprayed the same colour as my truck in Java Black. So the plan is to take this off the Uproar grille and fit it so it's all matching and looking really fantastic. None of this mismatch of colours and what have you. I think it'll look really set the front end off. So the plan is take this off, tidy up some of the wires in there. So let's have a look at it. So there you go, I've got the genuine grille here, an aircon grille surround for a Defender. Had it resprayed in Java Black. A friend of mine done a fantastic job on it. Really pleased with it as well. Yeah, so I think it's going to look the part when it's fitted. Get rid of that plastic one that's on there and get this fiberglass one. And like I say, it's the same colour as the Defender. I'll turn it around and show you inside. All resprayed inside, so it's had a nice stone chip spray inside to seal it. Really lovely job on there. Right, let's get that on. Right, let's make a start, get this bonnet popped up. Alright, first things first, I've got to start taking these screws off on the top here. That one. Like I said, I only changed this around a few months ago, so I'm hoping everything will just come off straightforward enough. Right, this should just lift out. I say it should lift out. There you go. Not to damage the nice grille from Uproar. So with the grille surround off, plastic one, the next job now I'm going to undo all these bolts and take this bottom vent off as well. And I've say I've got black stainless steel Allen keys from Uproar, so thanks to Scott from Uproar for sending them out to me, so they'll all be matching. I think it'll just look the part now when it's all black, you know, no mishmash of colours and what have you. I think it'll all be in keeping as well. So there you go, I've taken the grille out. I've just got to do the lower part, change that and transfer it onto this. But I've just offered that up today, and doesn't that look so much better? Look at it, Java Black, match the rest of my Defender. So I just got to bolt them down. So when I bought the kit, Scott sent out two types of Allen key bolts. You've got the longer ones, which I'll need to go in there. So a couple of washers on there first. Nip that up, but doesn't that look so much better? Probably have to get one of those Instagram names back on there, or maybe just leave it black. Maybe I've ordered a nice sort of heritage cast iron or aluminium badge, just waiting for it to turn up. So I think that's going to look really nice on there. Set the vehicle off. Yeah, I can't wait. Oh, just to mention as well, if you haven't seen the video of the LOF power boost, you want to check that video out. That's a cracking upgrade on the brakes, really good. There you go, just see me bolt it all up, looking bloody fantastic. Really pleased with that. I think the black stainless steel screws just finishes it off really nice. What I noticed as well, the grille sits better on a genuine surround. There's no gap. I had a nasty gap on the plastic one. I mean, not knocking it, but it's, I mean, it's just flexing, you know, it is what it is, you know. So I'm gonna have to get a new maybe a new sticker. What do you reckon? Let me know in the comments if I need to put a sticker back on there, and I'll get one made up. Do you know, that even looks better than it did when I first put the grille from uproar. Right, I've not tried this since I've had this grille, so it's going to be a bit of trial and error, but I think it's going to be all right. Might be a bit tight here. Give it a little bit of a tap in. There we are. Well, look at that. That's gone in first time. I'm so pleased with that. So I just got to put the screws on the side, or the stainless steel Allen keys I got. Oop. Yeah. So that's gone in. Well, I just pulled it back out. But there we are. Right. Let's get some screws and bolt that down. So there you go guys, that completes the look for the front of my Defender, all matching aircon grille surround in Java black, all nicely sprayed. Sets off that uproar grille as well, looks even better than it did before. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers guys, and thanks for watching.